Okay, watch again. Okay? So here, can we get the stick? Long stick? Long stick, longer. Yeah. No, Patrick, here. Hold it here. I'm just making the extension here. So the problem is we are here, okay. But if you go, more power is not because of your change. It's because the extension is longer. So can you see? You have to learn that. We always go, can you see changed? When it's changed, you don't have power. Power is continuation. What is power? Hong said, when your move is right, accelerate without changing direction. That's power, okay? What's Fajin? Fajin is doing the same move with no deviation, but more speed. So we are doing it like this, but not more speed. That's power. No power is, I got him here, but now, lost. I want him. So make a fist, punch me. We're blocking, punch me. Can you see? I want the punch to go through. I'll show you this later. Just a little bit you feel. Use a fist on it. Go through, pull. I changed, go. Change. This time go. Can you see? I didn't change direction. You fall into a hole. We want the training to be like this, extension. So don't go here and like this. Can you see? So let's use this to train. Here, you are training with, get your partner here. Do that. Okay. Yeah, the arm is there. Okay. Go. Yeah, you can be far away so that we can see. You can be here so we can see whether he deviates. Like that. Now imagine you catch the wrist and use your power, waste everything. Can you pull him along that line? Yeah, you can use the other hand too. That's good. The problem is when you turn, here, not enough power. You want to power, can you see it's lost? Whatever you do, it's here. So in the future, you will see this move, okay? No, in the future, you see this move. Instead of all this here, in the future, you see this move. Can you see we're carrying through? You'll find this in every martial art. It's here. So you carry that power through. Your opponent cannot stop. If you stop and change, you are resetting. You lose the fight. I mean, you lose the momentum from the initial action. You want to use the action and finish the job. You don't want to restart in one technique.